So I already applied glue here with a glue gun, and now I'm going to drill it with a 1/8 drill bit. Can you see it? There we go. Now, should I do it from the bottom or the top? That's a good question. I'm gonna eyeball it because, you know, that's how I roll. Okay. There we go. Perfectly centered. And right in the glue. Look at that. See? Could have done better if I didn't eyeball it. Okay. So then, where's my sensor cable? Put it from underneath. And just, that's what I like about using this glue. It's kind of nice and tight. You gotta push it in there. And there it is. And if you secure this, if you secure the cable underneath the table, it's not going to fall out again. If I want to get it higher up, I can probably gently drill this with a slightly bigger bit. I go 11/64. Okay, let's see what happens with this. How big do I have to go to get that ridge in? Okay, here we go. Reverse. And now I'm going to go in reverse. Gotta be careful. Okay. Oh, now it goes in. Nice. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, this is it. That was, yeah, I like the feel of this. That was with a 11/64. So I started with 1/8, then I finished off with, see, nice, now it's nice and deep. It's flush. It's tight. I like that. That's super good. I mean, if it holds the weight of the cable, that's pretty darn good. I can put like half a pound of 1 pound. How much am I pulling? I wish I had a scale to measure this. Oh yeah, that's really good. Wow. I'm glad I did this experiment. So, for conclusion, I started off with a 1/8 drill bit, and then just did the ridge, not all the way, with an 11/64, and then this sensor just fits perfect.